want the real Pom Pom lifestyle, plenty of money, peace of mind, and you really want to come join us on the beaches of the World Club and have tranquility and be a first-rate you got to do them 4 dirty little words, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Number 1, you have to have discipline or somebody will discipline you. Number 2, you got to be accountable to 3 people. 1, a spiritual advisor who's actually emulating the principles of laws of success, not the personality, not these pulpit preachers and these personality entertainers and stuff like that. That is all fugazi. Okay? Real talk. All right? So you got to be accountable to a spiritual leader who is emulating God's immutable laws of success. Number 2, you got to emulate a business leader, somebody who is a business leader with morals, ethics, and principles. Okay? And then number 3, you got to emulate a successful entrepreneur. Okay? And if your mom, your dad ain't successful financially, then you don't take their advice. Okay? So you do that, accountability. And number 3, it's the most important one. You got to plug into a proven system of success. Now, you can be a pioneer and build your system. It's going to take a while to build that pipeline, but ain't nothing wrong with that. But you got to understand it's going to take time. Or you can hack into a proven system and eliminate the landmines and make the right moves. You're still going to make mistakes, okay? But you can hack that system. And we might be biased, but we happen to have, in my humble but expert opinion of 20 years, one of the best systems on the planet. It is called the 7 spheres of money. And what is that? I'm going to look at it. It's accounting, insurance, banking, financial planning, real estate, estate planning, and legal. Now, I hear what you're saying. Guess what? Everybody in the 7 spheres of money are proven, licensed professionals. I'm going to say that again, Nick. They're proven, licensed professionals. What does that mean? These people on our team, a winning team, are at the highest level of the game. They work for or consult to multinational, multi-billion-dollar companies. They have LinkedIn profiles, and you can find them, and they have accreditations, not, YouTube scholars or IG scholars. Okay? These people got 10, 15, 20 years in profession, and they are hired by ExxonMobil, McDonald's hamburgers, BMI, okay? Chase Bank, Kraft Foods. You know what I'm saying? The biggest and brightest on the planet. Okay? So after you plug into a proven system with people who have done what you're trying to do, then the last one is the easiest one, but a lot of y'all ain't willing to do it. Put that work in, baby. Put your head down and work your plan and plan your work, and you can become consumer debt free. That means pay off all your credit cards, all your student loans, and only leverage credit to make you money through arbitrage. Okay? And then when you get consumer debt free, you actually free up, depending on where your economic, station in his life. If you have 50 grand, you probably free up $1,200 a month. If you had 100, you probably free up $2,500 to $3,000 a month. How do I know? Because I've been at each station. Okay? Then you can start leveraging business by acquiring businesses and taking the top dollar revenue. And I'm talking about the top dollar. The first dollar I make in business, you know what I do? I actually find myself legitimate tax write-offs by acquiring what? Assets. And when I acquire the assets, I have them in the proper entity structure. I don't just by default have an LLC. Nothing wrong with LLC. But there's 8 entity structures based in the IRS code for every situation. If I'm going into a syndicate to buy real estate, I'm most likely, if I didn't put the program together, I'm going to be a limited partner. But if I put the program together, I'm going to be a general partner. And then maybe I might have an LLC. You feel me? Okay. So now I'm going to start building 3 steps to success: business, real estate, and tax leverage. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to acquire passive income producing assets, digital assets, real estate, contracts, B2B contracts that I can subcontract out and have other people do the work, and I get the results, the rewards and the results. Okay. And again, that's going to take 3 to 5 to 7 years to build it right. And you're going to have some challenges along the way. Real talk. I started 12 businesses, bro. I failed in 8 by the time I was 40. But I also succeeded in 2. And now we're embarking on our 5th one, and it's yielding success because now I know the formula, baby. But unlike these entertainers, we're not out here trying to sell some fugazi and don't bring people along for the ride. We actually live and breathe cooperative economics. I am DJ the Money Coach. Do us a favor, share, like, and subscribe, and help us help you have a POM POM lifestyle. That's plenty of money, peace of mind. Come join us on the Beaches of the World Club. Remember, share, like, subscribe.